Yeah. It's powder, Aiden. What did you expect? I know there's a lot of
It's in my boot, too.
Yeah.
What were you expecting? Just stay right there. Don't grab it. Just stand back.
We can get some quite sexy chocolate.
If we can get some attractive chocolate.
You want to get some attractive chocolate?
You guys are strange.
Look at that. Oh. Is it on me? Yeah, it is. Ah! Excuse me, I'm using the washroom. Excuse me.
God, it smells.
Excuse me.
Warm in there, though.
Excuse me. Use the other washroom.
What's happening?
The fan turned on.
But let me go in the other washroom and pound the wall. So I you can hear it.
What are you doing to the wall? He's gonna pound the wall. Oh. Yeah, I can hear that. God, you have a horrible plan. Now you're gonna clean all that?
No.
Okay. Ow! Oh, that looks cool. I see stars behind me.
Definitely warm. Just leave one over here.
Tree. Oh, there
That
goes
protects
Star.
you from the wind, kind of.
Thank you. Yeah, it looks like something's on fire.
Yeah. There used to be a forest around them.
Look at the stars. Can't see it? Damn it. That's not what I said. It's at 5,000 ISO. If I put it higher.
Oh, a lot of snow.
Oh, it's eye tracking.
They feel sharp for a second and they melt. I'm walking with my eyes closed.
I'm back. This is red.